In this video,
we will learn how to replace walls faster in Fortnite. In Fortnite, there are two methods that you can use to replace a wall faster that is placed by the enemy. One is destroying the wall using a shotgun, and the other technique is destroying it with your pickaxe. In case you want to destroy it with your shotgun, all you need to do is just spam left click on that wall and then quickly replace it using your wall. And the other method will be placing the wall, then breaking it with your pickaxe by hitting on the weak points, then quickly place your wall in that stead. And by using this technique, you can quickly replace the wall that is placed by your enemy with your own wall to peace control them within those walls and box them if need be. So this is how you can easily and quickly replace walls in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.